track. Friday night, we got about 3/4 of the way there, had to turn around. Number one, I forgot my wallet. That sucked. Last time I forgot my wallet, I broke. And then 5 minutes after I turned around, I got a text message from ACO saying that they closed the track because of a pop-up thunderstorm. So it's Sunday morning, 8:30. I'm trying to get there by 9. It's an all-day test and tune, grudge day with motors and some of my motorcycles. So I'm hoping I can get some runs in all day and see how the truck performs. I'm still nervous about, you know, the rear because of the horror stories. I've been hearing about people breaking them very, very early on. But, you know, we're going to send it anyway. We're going to see how it feels. You know, I did do a couple test hits, burnouts, dead launches. Sounds, feels great. Everything seems absolutely working normal. And we're just going to go with that. So, yeah. What is going on, everyone? This is my man, Austin. He's got his beautiful black Ram tuned by. Well, he's not even looking now. Tuned by, as you can see, green racing, just like me. And why don't you tell everyone what you got done to it?
1 3/4 inch cooked headers, white pipe, race venom, and a bare ram intake with a green tube.
So you're basically full bolt on, but you don't have the throttle body, you said.
No throttle body.
You have exhaust, right? What exhaust you got?
Just stock tailpipes and black widow race venom. Okay.
And basically full bolt on except for the throttle body.
Yep.
Okay. So you got Cook's headers? Yeah. Why do you go to American Racing? I mean, they're both good brands. Can't go wrong with either one.
I just like Cook because they have no OEM cats or whatnot.
Okay. Oh, you still have the cats on.
Yeah,
So what did you do? Just take the tailgate off? Yeah, you still got the spare. So that's all you did is just take the tailgate?
just tailgate.
I would have took the spare with the tailgate.
Yeah.
That's what I would have did.
Coming up right side, there's Jones in the right lane, was 918.
It's a daily, yeah, mine's tough. I got scratches all over mine. Don't feel bad. In pictures, it always looks better and stuff, so.
Oh, yeah, it's
Yeah. So, this is Ram, full bolt on, green tune. It's hot today, so no one's running good. Just had the first pass, felt really good. I don't think I went that fast. I didn't feel that good, I'm not gonna lie. Probably high 12s is my guess. Definitely didn't feel like a 12.6, 12.7 like my last couple times, so yeah, didn't feel good, not gonna lie. But we'll see when we get the slip, and hopefully it's a decent pass. Wasn't happy with that. I could feel it didn't do its part. Thank you. Yeah, not good. 12.805. Yeah. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Mile an hour sucked. Everything about that pass was just bad. Not good, not happy. not too sure. Possibly 12.7, I'll say. I don't know. Possibly. We will see. It felt a little better, 60'd a little better. I did spin a little bit off the line. I don't think I got the tires heated up enough, but we're going to see what this pass is. We just ran this the single cab full bolt-on Ram again. And he's running like probably a 13.3, maybe a 13.2. But I'll get the slip and see what I ran. Thank you. 12.796. Not the best. Not having my best day here. Was hoping to be over 2/10 faster today. Don't know what's going on, but we're gonna figure it out and possibly run a little better. I may try a different tune, but so right now it's not running too good. It's the exact same tune I had in it last time. So I don't know. Don't know what's going on. My 60's terrible today. It's 179, 180. So we'll try it out and go for it again. All right, guys, we're actually headed home now. Racetrack was great. Truck ran good. Not the greatest times. Ranged from 12.7 to a 12.90 flat 9.00 was my last run. But I'm happy with it. The DA, it was hot today. The DA was 2600, and the last run it was like pushing 3,000. It was like 29 something when I looked it up. So it didn't run its best, obviously, but that's fine because it still ran good for what the DA was. And when 12.7 was its best, it was a high 12.7, it was 12.796. But the point is, it ran good in this heat. That's what I'm happy about. Now, when I went 12.54 in weather, DA was, I think, 16 to 18, in between there. And it was when it was closer to 18, it ran a 12.64, and it was 12.79 today, and 2,500. Yeah, it was like 25.13, something like that. So it's very hot. Right now, it's saying it's 94 degrees out, but it's humid. When you look at the real feel, it said real feel like 103 degrees or something like that. So it's very humid today, but the truck ran good. And right now I'm actually running on fumes. I got like no gas and I'm too lazy to stop. I just want to get home. But it ran good. I'm had a good day. The Ram that I raced, I know the guy, I know the kid, he's a friend of mine. His name's Taylor Austin. That's what he told me to put in this, Taylor Austin. But he ran pretty good. He ran 13.3 to 13.4 on street tires, in the heat, on 22s. He ran very good, and he hasn't been to the track in years. So, good for him. He ran great. You know, I didn't expect, you know, to lose to him, obviously, no offense, but I just didn't. If I did, I would have been really, I'd have sucked. But he did run good for not being there for a couple of years on street tires and on 22s. His only prep, I think he took the tailgate off from what I remember. Yeah, he just took the tailgate off. That was it. And I ran another vehicle, an F-150, and you know that was he's not running his best either. He usually runs high 12s. And I wanted to run a Scat Pack, but they didn't line us up right. I was a little pissed off at that. I had to run some old Mustang GT or something like that. And after the thing, he was so like ecstatic that I went a .04 reaction time. I said, "Oh, thanks, man." He's like, "Yo, your reaction time was awesome." You know, I haven't been here in a month, and I'm still at .0s all day, except for I think one run was a .1. But I wasn't there to get the best. Well, I'm there to win every race I can. But you know, I'm going to try and get back this week. We're going to go from there, and everything seems pretty good. The rear's holding up pretty well. If anything breaks on it, then I'm going to cry. But you know, for now, you know, it is what it is. Everything held up good. Had a great day at the track, and I'm trying to get back out there as much as I can. All right, guys, to the next one. Peace.